Joe Pagani, c'est un nouveau concept au Maroc. C'est du design, c'est du luxe. C'est vraiment des lignes de meubles très spéciales. Je suis partie à Milan, j'ai visité son showroom, je suis tombée amoureuse. Je suis tombée amoureuse de ses meubles, de sa façon de faire, de ses couleurs, de ses lignes. C'était tellement joli qu'après je me suis dit pourquoi pas Casablanca. Alors le statut que j'avais en tant que cliente et passée directrice de Joe Pagani et c'était déjà pour faire partager aux Marocains ce que moi j'avais, c'était mon expérience. Je voulais partager ça avec eux. C'était grâce à des copines quand on a reçu nos meubles, ils ont aimé ça. Et ils m'ont encouragée, surtout mon mari aussi. Et je voulais montrer ça aux Marocains, tout ce que Joe Pagani fait ici. Joe Pagani a beaucoup de choses à rajouter ici. C'est un nouveau design que les Marocains ne connaissent pas. Et ça va leur donner une autre idée du design parce que Joe Pagani, ses designs et aussi ses modes. Il mélange tout ça, vu que des cuirs qui sont utilisés pour les meubles sont aussi utilisés pour la mode. Qu'on utilise nous les dames pour nos sacs, pour nos manteaux. Et je pense que tout le monde va adorer ça.
This sofa is the starting point of my collection, so it was the first pieces that we designed. And I think inside this product there is all the philosophy of our brand, because it's a kind of haute couture product, starting from the research that we have on the materials that create all the materials for our collections, and also starting also on the shape of the cut of the leather, on the stitches or whatever. So there is a big study behind this sofa to find out the right comfort. The name of this sofa is Virtus, and I'm really, it's really the most important part of the collection that we have. There is a lot of music behind the inspiration that we have. It's a part of my life where I'm not able to keep it close. So. All the time I walk in the middle of that. I'm not able to stay in the right part. I fell down sometimes on the other one. I try to stay in the middle. In our collection right now we have 12 capsule collection. Each one of these capsule collection is different from the other. We have a capsule collection that was born following, for example, Saint-Ouen, that is a place in Paris that I love, where you can find incredible pieces from the historic period or vintage or something like that. And then after is something that is, for example, is a Chat Noir that is more deco, and Split Noir that is like a contemporary way of thinking about the design. Sartorier that is moving, matching with fashion a lot. There is other capsule collection like the Fleur du Mal, in which we try to create what for me is the avant-garde language. And this capsule collection is able to explain his philosophy and try to tell a story. And this capsule collection is a kind of book that I try to explain. I already had some experience here in Morocco, in Casablanca or Marrakesh, working for private clients, something like that. And I think that Casablanca, it's an incredible place because it's full of, again, contamination. Talking about architecture, you can find here several kind of different languages. You can find private villas with ancient and heritage inside, but you can see amazing building that can be hyper modern. And I think the culture in Morocco is really dynamic. People here are able to wear in a good way, they're able to read different kind of situation all around the world. So I love Morocco because there is full of tradition, but it is hyper contemporary and hyper modern. And our world is like that. So we are able to bring from the old past the deco inspiration, but we would like to be avant-garde in this way. So Morocco can fit perfectly in this kind of dress for me. And when we met Abil Farad in Milan, and she started explaining to me that she would like to do something here, okay, after few times that she explained to me what can be the market in this place, I really fall in love with the idea. And I think that, as I told you, I think that our project is like a book. If someone is able to read this book, for us it's amazing. So it means that we are able to work together in the right way. I will bring back all the things from my journey. So I think that will be natural that I will bring something with me from this experience. Maybe another capsule, another collection.